Welcome back to my element series. This is part 2, death by element, and the element is earth. I started mapping out a little bit of a skull, and then I want the rest of it to be the earth. I have some cotton balls, and I'm just going to make some vines that are growing like underneath the skin. It's been about an hour, and we're back. This is what we're looking like. All of these are made with cotton and latex, except for these guys. I have some PR packages that had this little plastic in it, so I just wanted to utilize that to make these, and then I made some like small little branches that I'll just tape onto here too. I think I'm done adding all of the branches and vines. Now I just need to blow dry it. These little mushrooms to go in the face, I literally just realized I made it to go on this wrong side. Anyways, they're going on this side. It'll be okay. Time for our mushrooms. I'm going to be using this cosmetic tape. Where is the edge? There it is. To tape it over my eyeball and then apply the little mushrooms on top. I haven't done this in forever. It's go time. It's painting time, my favorite time. I'm going to be using Makeup. This is their Paradise palette, and let's freaking go. I just have some fake moss that I'm adding to the mushrooms, and then I also want to add some in here too. I have 2 different colors, and I thought this color looked really good in there. Yeah. And then, we're getting so close. So much closer to being done. And I'm excited, and I'm hungry. Looking awesome. Last touch is going to be this mud mask. I want to cover all of this blue with this, and hopefully it'll just crack and it'll be awesome. This is my second time using this. The first time was on my first element one, so best of luck. It's about to be so chilly.
No.
I've been freezing all day. I'm gonna whip out the hairdryer for this and blast this baby. And because the color is such a dark gray, I'm probably gonna like slap some paint on top of it. The clay is on and it is ready for the blow dryer. Hopefully this goes well. The cracking has begun. It didn't do as cool of a cracking effect as I wanted to, but I can't even really see anything out of this contact. Everything is so blurry. It's pretty dope. I just wanted to record me attempting to tightline my eye while I'm essentially blind. Oh, we gotta do the top. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, get back in there. Fuck. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. Totally fell right in my liquid latex pile. That's pretty sick. Here we have our final product, you guys. What do we think about this look? I definitely give it like an 8 out of 10. I'm definitely vibing it. I think it turned out really awesome. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for part 3, which is going to be fire, I'm pretty sure. Okay, bye!